Hi everyone, Ashley here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another Redbird and Vintage boxing. So I've already just cut the packaging, so I haven't looked inside yet. So let's see what's in here, but first don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's see. Okay, you got your trademark, pink paper. Got it all nicely tied up here. Okay, so my little free trinket, I guess, that they kind of just throw on the bow for just to be nice, I guess, is this pin. So kind of this like gold pin with a little pearl in the inside, but the clasp is like broken off the back. So there's nothing on the back that you could attach it. I guess you could put your own on there, but it's all busted on the back. So yeah, it's just a little trinket. So I have one bag here. Let's see what's in it. Ooh. Now, I can't remember if I did request. I'm so bad, like, is my memory completely get erased from the first of the month? But I feel like I might have requested this. And it's just like a little, ooh. It says, this box can be used for tablets such as something, aspirins, vitamin pills, but some tablets on prescription must be kept in their original label. Consult containers before you use this. So it's a little pill box, which is so cute. You can put anything in it, really. Stratton, made in England. Yeah, Stratton. Has like a star pattern on the back. And it has a beautiful little floral thing on the front. This is something different. You know, it's not jewelry, it's a trinket. I think I did request this, but it's just something cool and different. So I really like that, for sure. It's pretty small, but it's cute, so I'm happy with that. I don't know what this is, but looks like there's pieces of it floating around in the, yeah. Whatever this was fell apart in the packaging. Yeah, so there's like a bunch of pieces, like whatever was on the front of this, I think it was like a little floral design, but whatever's on the front of this, it's another, I think it's a little locket. It looks like, yeah, it has a clasp, is no longer on it. It's just like old pieces. So it's kind of just a plain front, and it opens. I love lockets, so there's a locket. I guess it's still wearable. It's not bad. It's not ugly by any stretch of imagination, but I think there was like a nice floral image on the front, and oh, it's the wrong box. I mean, the wrong bag. Or unless it all spilled out. Where did all the pieces go? Oh yeah, they all spilled out. Yeah, so this is a damaged one, so. And I think on my card they did say that, I don't know if there's something else in here they're referring to, but the necklace was extra due to wear. So maybe it was starting to like chip off and everything, and then packaging it totally came off. Okay, so I've got another ring, which I kind of reiterated that I don't want rings. And it's just like a resizable one. It says Vogue on the inside. And it's just like a gold flower with a blue stone. I won't be wearing that, so. Then the next thing, ooh, this is really nice, is a pin, a small pin. I don't think I requested this. It's really nice. The back's a little bit loose, but it's okay. That is so unique. I've never seen anything like this before. So it has like this like, kind of like spoke look to it on the outside. It's got little like spikes kind of sticking out. Then it's got this blue backing with like a moonstone or opal stone in the very middle, and it kind of looks like a flower. This is got a lot going on. This is very cool. I really like this. Here is another pin. Maybe, I don't know. I think okay, so it's basically looks kind of like, it's floral, but it kind of looks like a kind of like a shield kind of shape with these like, I don't know what these would be called. They're like a murky white stones, and it has this little one hanging down here. But it has, the floral part is our yellow and orange flowers. And I think if it was a different color scheme, I would like it better. like blue and purple or pink and blue or something like that. I might like it better. It is different. I like it, but I don't know. I'm undecided. Okay, and the last thing is a pair of earrings. I think. Yes, this is the last thing. Which are, whoop, I'll get a look at them. I've dropped them. They're kind of like Western looking, which is definitely not my style. Yeah, so there's like a metal, pressed metal. I don't even know what this design would be. It's just like a kind of like a teardrop, but it has like some scalloping at the bottom. And then it just has like I don't know what you would call that stone, but it just has a kind of it's not turquoise and it doesn't even look like turquoise, but it kind of reminds me of that. So these. It was an okay box. I guess like the two things I like, well, the only things I like are these two items. So yeah, one damaged item, which I think that that's the only necklace, so that's what they were talking about. They just threw this in, I think I requested it, and they probably noticed it was damaged and just gave it to me anyway. So that was very nice. So that, and a ring, which I always say I don't want rings, but I got another one. So keep a lookout for the giveaway I'm gonna do eventually with all the items that are just not for me from these boxes. This will be in there, so if you're interested in that, keep watching. And this, I don't know. This could possibly be in there, or maybe an all black outfit, that would be cool. I don't know. This I'm undecided about. And the earrings, I wouldn't have looked twice at them if I saw them in a store, let's put it that way. So yeah, kind of two in a row that haven't been great. So we'll see if I keep doing these boxes. So, because I do now have like I've been doing them since like November. I had two boxes at Christmas time that I opened. Then those were like my first boxes like later on, early in the year that I started doing videos on. So it's been over 6 months. So like every month I'm getting a good amount of vintage jewelry. So this isn't something I would do indefinitely because I only need so much and I only have so much room to store all this vintage jewelry. So we'll see how long I keep doing these boxes. They are fun, but yeah, we'll see. Let me know in the comments below what item you liked the best. And that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.